Hi, today we are going to see Linux, Windows and their differences. A comparative overview by Srinivasan. We can go to the next slide. Introduction. What is an operating system? Why OS is essential for computers? Overview. Linux and Windows are two major OS choices. Okay, OS means operating system. Operating system connects the user and the computer. Without the operating system, we cannot interact with the computer. So operating system is very important. Operating system, why? Because it's a platform. Otherwise, any person cannot connect or work with any computer. So for that connection, the operating system is required. So the two so many operating systems are there. It is Windows and Linux. Unix also there. Unix formed by Thomson and Ritchie. So they also wrote the Unix in C. Linux also mostly written in C. They used C language for developing this. You can go to the next one. What is Linux? It is open source operating system based on Unix. It is based from the Unix they formed, because Unix is written in C, Linux also written in C. The Linux came from that Unix. Multiple distributions of the Linux is Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, etc. It is free to use and modify. Because it is open source. What is Windows? Developed by Microsoft. Proprietary closed source, user-friendly interface, widely used in business and personal computers. This is graphical, because user-friendly. Why? Because it is graphical. Just click and go. What is history of Linux? Who formed this? Created by Linus Torvalds. In the year 1991. He formed this Linux. Community-driven development. It is community-driven. When he studied the Helsinki University in the computer science department, when he studies computer science in the University of Helsinki, he developed this Linux. Power servers, desktop, mobile devices, Android. So they use this Linux. For laptop, for that mobile phone also, the operating system is important. Without operating system, we cannot connect to any computer, laptop or mobile. History of Windows. It is first released in 1985 before Linux. Revolution from Windows 1 to Windows 11. Dominant OS in PC market for decades. It's very famous, Windows, because it's user friendly, because they use GUI, GUI. It is graphical user interface. It's click, just like icon, click the icon and go. It is dominant. It is the dominant in the market. So it is the key features of Linux. Highly customizable because of the open source. Strong security because it's CLI, command line interface. Lightweight and runs on older hardware. Because it is lightweight and runs on older hardware. Command line and GUI options. GUI is also there, but it's only 40%. 99% command line. Key features of Windows. Wide compatibility with software and hardware. Easy to use for beginners. User friendly. Strong gaming and application support. Regular updates and customer support. Regular updates, they give regular updates. Customer support also. It is good for gaming because mouse click they can apply. They can use the mouse. They can use the additional thing for playing games. It is very good for beginners. Comparison. Difference between Linux and Windows. Feature. Linux, Windows. Cost. It is free, open source, paid and proprietary. It is not free. The Windows is not free, but Linux is free. Security, very secure. Vulnerable to malware because it is GUI based, right? Customization, highly customizable because it's open source. Limited customization. Performance, works on low-end hardware, needs higher system specs. Otherwise, it is very difficult to run Windows. User base, developers, servers, techies. General, public and business. Whenever we go to the bank, railway system, everything we use this Windows. It is very user friendly. It's for general public. Windows is for general public. Conclusion. Both Linux and Windows have unique strengths. Choice depends on user needs and technical skills. For Linux, technical skill is needed. You have to give the comment, not just click. Linux flexibility, security, cost free. Windows compatibility, ease of use and software support they provide. Okay, that's all. Thank you.